What if you could wake up one day, do almost nothing, and still see money coming in? No boss, no fixed schedule, no constant working hours, just passive income. That idea has been sold everywhere online. Make money while you sleep. Build systems that earn for you. Escape the 9 to 5 forever. But nobody really talks about what it actually takes to get there. So I decided to test it myself. I tried making passive income using artificial intelligence. No big team, no investment tricks, no shortcuts that require luck. Just AI tools, internet access, and one goal: to see if passive income is actually possible today, or if it's just another internet fantasy. And what I discovered was not what I expected, because passive income is real, but not in the way most people imagine it. Let's begin. The truth about passive income with AI. Before I started this experiment, I had a wrong assumption. I thought AI would do almost everything. Write something once, upload it, and money would just appear. But that idea falls apart very quickly, because passive income is not no work. It is front-loaded work. You work hard in the beginning and hope the system keeps working after you stop. AI doesn't change that rule. It only changes the speed. So instead of thinking no effort, I had to think differently. How can AI help me build something once that can keep earning repeatedly? That question became the foundation of everything. And that's when I started testing different ideas. First idea, AI content assets. The first thing I tried was content-based income. Blogs, YouTube scripts, SEO articles. Simple digital content that could rank or get views over time. AI made this part extremely easy. Ideas were generated in seconds. Titles were suggested instantly. Entire drafts were created in minutes. What normally takes hours or days suddenly became a fast workflow. At first, it felt like I had discovered a cheat code. But then reality hit. Content alone is not passive income, because content still needs distribution. It needs traffic. It needs consistency. One article or one video does nothing. You need volume. You need patience. And most importantly, you need time. That's when I realized something important. AI doesn't remove effort. It removes friction, but you still have to build the system. So I moved to the next idea. Second idea, digital products with AI. This is where things started to feel more realistic. Digital products are closer to real passive income because you create something once and sell it repeatedly. So I asked AI to help me build simple digital products: ebooks, guides, templates, prompt packs, productivity systems. At first, it sounded too simple, but simplicity is often where money hides. AI helped structure ideas quickly. It helped organize content. It helped improve writing. It even helped generate variations of the same product for different audiences. And suddenly, I had something real. A product that didn't depend on me being online all the time. But there was still a problem. A big one. A product without traffic is invisible. No views, no sales, no income. So I learned another hard truth. Passive income is never just creation. It is creation plus distribution. And distribution is where most people fail. Still, this idea felt stronger than content alone. So I continued. Third idea, AI automation systems. This was the most interesting experiment. Instead of selling products or content, I tried building systems. Things that could run without constant attention. Customer replies, email follow-ups, lead capture, simple workflows. AI made this extremely powerful. It could simulate responses, draft messages, organize sequences, and even suggest improvements. For the first time, it felt like something close to real automation. Not just content, not just products, but systems that could operate in the background. However, even here, something became clear. AI doesn't replace structure. It needs structure. If your system is weak, AI cannot fix it. If your strategy is wrong, AI only executes the wrong plan faster. That realization changed everything, because it meant the real skill is not AI. It is thinking clearly. AI just amplifies that thinking. Good thinking becomes powerful. Bad thinking becomes dangerous. Fourth idea, affiliate income with AI. Next, I tested affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and earn a commission. AI helped generate ideas for content. It helped write reviews. It helped create comparison scripts. It helped build persuasive angles. And again, the speed was impressive. But results were not guaranteed, because affiliate income depends on trust, and trust cannot be automated. People don't buy because of perfect wording. They buy because they believe the source. So AI helped me build content faster, but it could not replace credibility. That was still human, still earned over time, still built slowly. So even here, passive income was not fully passive. It was still a long game. The big realization, after testing multiple approaches, one truth became very clear. AI does not create passive income. AI creates leverage. It makes everything faster. It makes everything easier. It reduces workload, but it does not remove the need for direction, because passive income is not a tool problem. It is a system problem. You need a product, a market, a distribution channel, and consistency long enough for it to compound. Without those things, AI is useless. With those things, AI becomes extremely powerful. Why most people fail? Most people fail at passive income for one reason. They confuse automation with avoidance. They think they can avoid work entirely. But real passive income is built differently. You work first. You build systems. You test ideas. You fail. You adjust. And only then does anything become passive. AI can speed this process up, but it cannot skip it. So after trying to make passive income with AI, my conclusion was simple. AI is not a magic money machine. It is a multiplier. If you are confused, AI will help you become confused faster. If you are clear, AI will help you become successful faster. The difference was never the tool. The difference was always the user. And that's the part most people miss. Because in the end, passive income is not about doing nothing. It is about doing something once that continues to work long after you stop. And AI just makes that journey faster, not easier, faster. And here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to hear. If it was truly easy to build passive income, everyone would already be free. But reality doesn't work like that. Every system that earns without you still requires setup. Every income stream still needs direction in the beginning. AI doesn't remove responsibility. It only speeds up execution. And speed without clarity still leads nowhere. Most people jump from one idea to another. They start something. They quit too early. Then they blame the system. But the system was never the problem. Consistency was. The truth is, you don't need 10 ideas. You need one idea executed properly. Over time, not overnight. Because real income is not created in a day. It is built through repetition, through mistakes, through adjustments, and through patience most people are not willing to have. AI can help you move faster, but it cannot decide for you. It cannot stay consistent for you, and it cannot believe in your idea for you. That part is still human. So if you are waiting for the perfect time, it doesn't exist. If you are waiting for perfect confidence, it doesn't exist either. You only build confidence by starting and improving while you move. Because in the end, action is the only real advantage left. And once you understand that, everything starts to change. That is when money stops feeling random and starts feeling structured. Now, with that in mind, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about money, AI, business, and real ways people are building income online today. And remember this, passive income is not freedom from work. It is freedom from repeating the same work forever.